Welcome. Thanks for tuning into our product updates for this month. Last couple weeks have been really busy. We were in Toronto at Shopify's Editions events where we got to meet different people on different product teams. We've also made a number of updates to our apps, including reordering options, some things with inventory, and finally editing unit prices. Let's go through these in more detail. Now bulk reorder product options using Ablestar Bulk Editor. What we mean by this is if you have a product like this where color comes first and then size, you can switch the positions across multiple products at once. To do that, we'll just go to the app. We'll look for products where the option one name is color, just to make sure that we have the correct product selected. And we'll go to edit products, and down in the actions section, there is a reorder product options. Then we just need to drag and drop the new order we want. So we can see we used to have color and size. If we put the option 2 up to the beginning, now it becomes size and color, and we can just run that edit. We recommend doing that filter first on the option one name to make sure that the correct values are switched. But now if you go back and look in the Shopify admin, you'll see that size now appears first for all those products. For those of you dealing with transferring inventory between different locations, we've added a field to spreadsheet edits that should make this easier. Now when you go to map a column to an inventory location, you'll see two sets of fields. One is to set the quantity based on this value in the spreadsheet, and the other is to add, or if it's a negative number, subtract the value from this spreadsheet. So if we did an edit like this, in this case when we were to run the edit, the inventory level would be increased by 55 for this SKU. One thing related to this is if you find this gets it too confusing to have all these fields listed here, it is possible to hide the add fields by going to settings, integration and features, and you can just turn off this integration here, and that little section in the drop-down menu won't be visible anymore. Finally, you can now update unit prices with Ablestar. Currently, unit prices is only available to people in the EU or Switzerland, but it should be rolled out to all stores coming this summer. In the Shopify admin, there's a configurable way, again, in these EU stores, where you can change the unit price for an individual product, like so. To do it in the app, it's kind of a similar process. You filter for the products you want to edit, go here, and we'll just choose the unit price field, and we'll set total measure and then the base measure, and we'll see a preview here of the new unit price for that product. That's what we've been up to this month. Thanks for watching. I hope there was something in there that you found useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support. Always happy to hear any feedback or figure out better ways to help you manage your product data. Thanks for watching.